हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज इस लेक्चर में हम एंशिएंट लिटरेचर टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को देखेंगे। अगर आपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर को नहीं देखा है तो आप प्लेलिस्ट में एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करते हैं। द टाइटल फादर ऑफ हिस्ट्री राइटली बिलोंग्स टू द ग्रीक ऑथर हेरोडोटस इज ऑफन नोन एज द फादर ऑफ हिस्ट्री। ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है। फादर ऑफ हिस्ट्री हम हेरोडोटस को बोलते हैं, जो एक ग्रीक ऑथर थे। His famous book Historica describe the Indo-Persian relations during the 5th century. Okay, so correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option A. Who of the following was the writer of Mudra Rakshas? Mudra Rakshas written by Vishak Dutt is a drama in Sanskrit. Okay, although written during the Gupta period, it describes how Chandragupta with the assistance of Kautilya overthrew the Nandas. Okay, it also give a picture of socio-economic condition under the Mauryas. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? मुद्रा राक्षस किसने लिखा? विशाख दत्त ने। Okay, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। Which of the following classical works of literature were written during the Gupta era? इसमें से कौन कौन लिखे गए थे गुप्ता इरा में? अमरकोश, कामसूत्र, मेघदूत, मुद्रा राक्षस, ये सारे हैं जो गुप्ता इरा में ही लिखे गए थे। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी। Bible book of North Indian classical music is related to the Bible of North Indian classical music is Natya Shastra. It is a Sanskrit treatise on the performing art. It is attributed to Bharat Muni. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन ए। दास कुमार चारितम was composed by the famous author of this book. सूरदास ने क्या लिखा था? सूरसागर, सूर सरावली, साहित्य लाहिरी, ये सारे किसके हैं? सूरदास के हैं। ओके, दांडीन ने क्या लिखा था? दास कुमार चरितम लिखा था। तुलसीदास ने रामचरितमानस, विनय पिटिका, कवितावली लिखा था। एंड कालिदास ने अभिज्ञान शकुंतलम, कुमार संभवम, मालविका मित्रम एंड मेघदूत। ये सारे बुक और ऑथर के नाम मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आपको याद रखने हैं, ये बार बार क्वेश्चंस में पूछे जाते हैं। ओके, सो इसका क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा दास कुमार चरितम लिखा था दानदीन ने। हु रोट दास कुमार चरितम? ये अभी हमने देखा, दानदीन ने लिखा था। कुमार संभवा इज एन epic poem was composed by Kalidas. Which of the following drama was not written by Kalidas? Okay, in the given option all the epic was written by Kalidas except जानकी हरनम। ओके, जानकी हरनम को लिखा था कुमार दास ने। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें मैच करना है। पाणिनि ने क्या लिखा था? अष्टाध्यायी, दैट इज सी नंबर। वात्स्यायन ने कामसूत्र लिखा था। चाणक्य ने अर्थशास्त्र लिखा है एंड कल्हण ने राजतरंगिणी लिखा है। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ कल्हन्स बुक? राजतरंगिणी। A historical work Gaudavahu like Kalhan's Rajtarangini. It was written by the Gaudavahu is a Prakrit epic poem composed by Vakpati, who is a poet living in the court of Yashovarman, king of Kannauj. Okay, the poem gives the detailed description of the Digvijay of Yashovarman. So correct answer option B. Rajtarangini written by Kalhan is associated with which of the following? Kalhan, who was Kashmiri, was the author of Rajtarangini, okay, which gives an account of the history of Kashmir. तो correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी। अष्टाध्यायी was written by पाणिनि। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें मैच करना है ऑथर्स और उनके वर्क्स दिए गए हैं। भारवी ने लिखा था किरातार्जुनिया, हर्ष ने लिखा था नागानंदा, कालिदास ने मालविका मित्रम एंड राजशेखरा ने कपूर मंजारी। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में भी हमें मैच करना है। उन टेक्स्ट और ऑथर के नाम दिए गए हैं। राजमाला का क्या हो जाएगा? पुंडरीक वित्तल। ओके, राज कमुंदी का क्या हो जाएगा? श्रीकांथा। राग विभोग का सोमनाथ एंड चतुरंदिनी प्रकाश का हो जाएगा वेंकट रमन। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए। Which of the following Sanskrit works has taken up their theme from the Mahabharata? Select the correct answer from the code given below. Naisadhya Charita is a story of Nala and Damayanti in the Mahabharata, which was written by Sri Harsha. Kiratarjuniam is an epic poem describing combat between Arjun and Lord Shiva in the Mahabharata. Magha wrote Sisupal Varda, which is based on the Mahabharata, in which Sisupal insulted. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option D. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। इस क्वेश्चन में हमें मैच करना है। विशाख दत्त का क्या हो जाएगा? ड्रामा, वरा मिहिर का एस्ट्रोनॉमी, चरक का मेडिसिन एंड ब्रह्मगुप्ता का मैथमेटिक्स। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी। हु एक्सेप्ट्स ओनली परसेप्शन? चारवाका रिजेक्ट्स नोशन ऑफ एन आफ्टरवर्ड कर्मा ऑफ द रिकॉग्नाइज्ड मीन्स ऑफ नॉलेज। चारवाका रिकॉग्नाइज्ड ओनली डायरेक्ट परसेप्शन, दैट इज अनुभव। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। Charvaka philosophical system was so called. Charvaka philosophical system was also called Lokayata system. It is a past Vedic ancient school of Indian materialism which rejects concepts like God and soul, afterlife and moksha. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option A. Who is the propounder of Naina philosophy? Gautam. Gautam is the propounder of Naina philosophy. Charak Samhita is related to which of the following subject? Charak Samhita is a comprehensive text on ancient Indian medicine which is known as Ayurveda. It was written by Acharya Charak who is known as the father of Indian medicine. ये हमने पहले भी देखा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. So correct answer is option C. The Panch Siddhanta of Varamihir is based upon. It is based on Greek astronomy. So correct answer is option B. Which of the following is not correctly match? Kalidas रघुवंश, दिस इज करेक्ट. भाषा का हो जाएगा स्वप्ना सवादा दत्तम, दिस इज करेक्ट. सुबंधु का कादम्बरी, नहीं दिस इज रॉन्ग. कादम्बरी वॉज कंपोज्ड बाय बाणभट्ट नॉट बाय सुबंधु. ओके. एंड हर्ष का क्या है? रत्नावली, दिस इज करेक्ट. सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी. विद रेफरेंस टू द हिस्ट्री ऑफ एंसेंट इंडिया, भावभूति, हस्तिमाला, छेमे वारा वर फेमस. These all are play writing. Okay, so correct answer is option B. Milind Panha is a Buddhist book in Pali language which purported to be a dialogue between the Indian monk Nagsen and the Indo-Greek king Milindra or Maninder. Okay, so correct answer is option C. Buddhist text Milind Panha throws light on which Indo-Greek ruler? ये भी देखा हमने, Menander. Milind Panha is in the form of dialogue between King Menander and Buddhist monk Nagsen. Okay. Name the source that is silent about the trade route on ancient India. Sangam Sahitya is silent about the trade route of ancient India. So correct answer Sangam Sahitya. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें मैच करना है. कोर्ट पोएट दिए गए हैं और जो जिस किंग से रिलेटेड है उनका नाम बताना है. अमीर खुसरो किससे रिलेटेड थे? अमीर खुसरो अलाउद्दीन खिलजी के कोर्ट में रहते थे. Kalidas was in the court of Chandragupta II. Harisena was in the court of Samudragupta. And Von Bhatt was in the court of Harshvardhan. Okay, so correct answer is option B. The contemporary ruler of Kalhan, who was the author of Raj Tarangini, was Jai Singh was the contemporary ruler of the Kashmir. Kalhan was the author of Raj Tarangini. He completed this pioneer creation in the reign of Jai Singh. Okay, Raj Tarangini is a collection of 8 tarang. The conventional ancient history of Kashmir is narrate the first 3 Tarangas. Okay, so correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? जय सिंह. How many tarangas are in Raj Tarangini of Kalhan? 8. ये अभी हमने देखा था. ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आपको याद रखना है. Raj Tarangini is a collection of 8 taranga. Who among the following continued the Raj Tarangini of Kalhan? Raj Tarangini, a metrical historical chronicle of the northwestern Indian subcontinent, particularly the king of Kashmir. Okay, it was written in Sanskrit by Kashmir Brahman Kalhan in the 12th century. Jona Raja continued the narration down to the reign of Sultan Jainul Abidin and called it like Kalhan Raj Tarangini. After the death of Jona Raja, his pupil Sriwara continued the history of Kashmir. Okay, so इसका क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन डी. Sundar Nanda was the composition of Ashwaghosh, a noted poet, is considered to be the instrumental in the propagation of Buddhism. He was also the writer of the famous court poem of his time called Sundar Nanda Kavya. This poem was discovered and edited by Pandit Harsh Prasad Sastri. तो इसका क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन ए, that is Ashwaghosh. Nagnanda, Ratnavali and Priyadarshika was written by. These all are written by Harshvardhan. So correct answer is option D. Next question देखेंगे. Which of the following works were authored by Harsh? Priyadarshika, yes. Nagnanda, yes. Harsh Charit, this is wrong. This is written by Von Bhatt. Then Ratnavali, yes. These 3 were written by Harsh. Okay, so correct answer is option B. Next question. Among the 4 works mentioned below, which one is encyclopedic in nature? Brihat Samhita of Varahamihira. Brihat Samhita of Varamihir is an encyclopedic work written during the Gupta period. So correct answer is option C. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Buddha Charita was not composed by Vasubandhu. In fact, it is a poetic narrative of the life of Buddha by the Sanskrit poet Ashwaghosh. Okay, remaining all are correctly matched. So correct answer is option B. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें मैच करना है. ऑथर और उनके टेक्स्ट दिए गए हैं. वरामिहिर का क्या हो जाएगा? बृहत संहिता. विशाख दत्त का हो जाएगा देवी चंद्र गुप्तम. शूद्रक का हो जाएगा मृच्छिका कटिकम. देन लास्ट में विल्हन का हो जाएगा विक्रमादेव चरिता. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, कर्पूरा मंजरी हर्ष, नो दिस इज रॉन्ग, कर्पूरा मंजरी was not written by Harsh whereas it was written by Rajsekhar. Okay, remaining all are correct, so correct answer is option A. Who wrote Shakuntalam? Kalidas was Sanskrit poet and dramatist and probably the greatest Indian writer of any epoch. Okay, and Shakuntalam was written by Kalidas, so correct answer is option C. Which of the following is not a literary masterpiece of Kalidas? Mrichkatikam was not a literary work by Kalidas, it was composed by Sudrak. Okay, so correct answer is option A. Next question देखेंगे, the protagonist of the play Malvikanimitra written by Kalidas is the first play composed by the great poet Kalidas is Malvikanmitram. This play consists of 5 acts about the love story of King Agmitra of Vidisha from the Shunga dynasty. Okay, so correct answer is option C. Which of the following books of ancient India has the love story of the son of founder of Shunga dynasty? Correct answer is option B. The author of Swapna Vasavadatta is, it is Sanskrit play which is written by great poet Bhasa. Okay, so correct answer is option B. Who is the author of Geet Govind? Geet Govind is an epic poem which is written in Sanskrit by Jaydev in the 11th or 12th century. Okay, Jaydev was the royal poet in the court of King Lakshman Sen in Bengal. It is recognized by 12 chapters. Okay, so correct answer is option A. Whose court was embellished by Jaydev, composer of Geet Govind? Lakshman Sen, option D. Who has composed the Geet Govind? Jaydev. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है, इसमें भी हमें मैच करना है. अष्टांग संग्रह, इसका क्या हो जाएगा? मेडिकल. दास रूपका क्या है? ये एक प्ले है. लीलावती मैथ्स. महाभाष्य ग्रामर. Okay, these all are composition, these all are subject to which it is related. Okay, so correct answer is option B. Next question देखेंगे, thyroid is to work only but never with its fruit. This is stated in which of the following book? These lines are stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, so correct answer is option C. In which epic is it is told, what is here is also found elsewhere, but if not here is found nowhere else. This statement are mentioned in epic Mahabharata. Next question देखेंगे, which ancient Indian book has been translated into 15 India and 40 foreign languages? Panchtantra is a collection of Indian animal fable which had extensive circulation both in the country of its origin as well as worldwide. It has been translated into 15 Indian and 40 foreign languages. So correct answer is option B, that is Panchtantra. Panchtantra was originally written by Vishnu Sharma. The author of Vinay Patrika is तुलसीदास. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें मैच करना है, सर्ववर्मा का कटंतरा, शूद्रक का मृचिका कटिकम, विघ्नेश्वरा का मिताक्षरा एंड कलहन का राज तरंगिनी. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. हु इज द फॉलोइंग इज स्पेशली नोन फॉर हिज कंट्रीब्यूशन इन द फील्ड ऑफ अलजेब्रा? Bhaskaracharya is also known as Bhaskara II, represent a significant contribution to mathematics and astronomical knowledge in the 12th century. There are 6 well-known works of Bhaskaracharya in his book. Siddhanta Asiromani has 4-part Lilavati, Algebra, Ganitagya and Goladhyay. Okay, so correct answer is option C. Lilavati is a treatise on mathematics and was written by Bhaskaracharya. Lilavati was written by Bhaskaracharya. Next question, Aryabhatta was a renowned mathematician and astronomer of ancient India. One of his major work was Aryabhatya. The work deals with many topics like astronomy, spherical trigonometry, arithmetic algebra and plane trigonometry. Okay, so correct answer option B. Next question, which of the following Indian mathematician invented decimal place value? Aryabhatta, who was an Indian mathematician, discovered decimal place. Okay, so correct answer is option D. Who was the author of Mattavilas Prahasna? Mattavilas Prahasna was written by versatile Pallava ruler and scholar Mahendra Varman, which described the social and religious life. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Mahendra Varman. The ancient name Nilotpala of Mahanadi was stated in Vayu Puran. Okay, so correct answer is option D. Manusmriti is mainly related to, Manusmriti is also known as Manav Dharma Shastra, is mainly related to the social system. It is divided into 18 chapters. Manu is also considered to be the originator of law in India. So इसका correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option A. The great lawgiver of ancient time was Manu. Who among the following is considered to be the first lawgiver in India? अभी हमने देखा मनु. Zero was discovered by, it was discovered by anonymous Indian. Arabian learned it from India and spread it over Europe. It was found that the Arabs firstly used zero in 873 AD. So correct answer is option D. Zero was invented by, it was invented by Indians. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? First क्या दिया है? Life of Hyun-sang, Hui Lee, this is correct. The Natural History, tell me, this is wrong. The Natural History was written by Pliny. Next क्या है? Historical Philippical, Pompeius Trogus, this is correct. The Histories, it was written by Herodotus, this is also correct. So correct answer is option B. The most ancient musical instrument in given option is Veena is the most ancient musical instrument in the given option. It has been a part of Indian culture and music since ancient time, whereas sitar, sarod and tabla are musical instruments introduced in medieval era. Okay, so correct answer is option B. तो इस लेक्चर में इतना ही था. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम प्री मिडाइवल पीरियड को देखेंगे. अगर आपके लिए ये चैप्टर जरा सा भी यूजफुल रहा हो तो काइंडली शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल.